Hey there. I am Mo, your DIY guide. Today's DIY: how to fix my car AC. So let's start. Step 1. There are 5 major components to the air conditioning system: the compressor, the refrigerant, the condenser, the expansion valve, and the dryer. If your car has an air conditioner leak even though the drain pipe is clean. Step 2. Check to see if the refrigerant is leaking. Use a fluorescent dye that you can purchase at an auto parts store. Step 3. Follow the directions of that particular dye. Generally, you will add the dye through the low-pressure AC recharge port located on the car's AC canister. Step 4. The other sorts of problems that the AC might be experiencing include bad switches, bad fuses, broken wires, broken fan belt or seal failure inside the compressor. These parts are easy to replace if they are the source of the problem. Some tips you should remember. To keep your air conditioner in good shape, manufacturers suggest running it 10 minutes a month, even in the winter months, to keep it running smoothly. Be careful when taking things apart inside your car to look at the air conditioning system. There are many moving belts and sharp edges that can hurt you. Most air conditioning repairs are best done by a professional. If it is a problem that you don't understand, your best bet is to take it to a mechanic. Stay tuned for more Automotics DIY tips.
Automotics DIY. Get access to DIY auto repair manuals now.